Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Unacademy online platform. This lesson is very important for all of you. Even this topic UPSC asked once in the prelims and also once in the mains. This topic is a 3D printer and this whole concept is connecting with the science and technology. This is my lesson number 34 on this YouTube Unacademy platform, especially for English medium aspirants. Here on Unacademy, I am connecting with all of you regarding science and tech environment based recent and updated issues that are important for your civil services examinations. This video I have split into two parts. The first part where I'll cover with you 3D printer, and in the second part I'll connect with you about 4D printer and arc printer. So before going to start this lesson, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I've done my Ph.D. from IIT Delhi. I have one of the institution, Purvanchal IAS. I'm working as a director there at Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I'm taking classes of science, tech, environment. From last 18 years, I'm taking classes for civil service examinations. 1,000+ selection happen. I'm author of McGraw-Hill publication book for science and tech and environment. Those are highly recommended book for all of you. If you have a serious aspirant, so you should read this book. My Telegram channel is t.me/Ravi_UPSC_Unacademy. Here you will find out my all the PDF, and a part of this my all the video links I also share here. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my plus classes, Iconic subscriptions. Those are the paid courses, and even my special classes. Those are freely available for all of you. So follow me here, guys, on Unacademy profile. It's a single solution for all of you regarding science and tech environment. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any courses, kindly use Ravi UPSC. Here you will get extra 10% fees rebate in any of the courses or subscriptions if you are going to buy. Unacademy is India's best educators platform for UPSC CSE, and all the experienced faculty of civil services examinations, they all are available on Unacademy in live sessions. So it's a great opportunity for all of you to connect with all faculties of civil service examination at one place. Unacademy All India Prelims mock test as an offline test in Delhi is going to organize on 24th April 2022. Everything is like same as UPSC pattern on GS papers, CSAT both. And here we are providing you with all the OMR sheet and everything. So before entering the final examination, you will have a feel the same type of atmosphere, everything in this offline test. This test will conduct in the old Rajendra Nagar and Mukherjee Nagar both. So kindly enroll now. Its enrollment is free, and during joining this, kindly use the code Ravi UPSC. Unacademy Lite is the prelim test series for 2020-22 and 2020-23. Unacademy is providing you. This course validity is for 6 months and 12 months both. Whatever your requirement, you can join us. It's a good for all of you guys regarding your evaluations, like where you stand in your preparations with all the subjects. A free and comprehensive interview guidance program for UPSC CSE 2020-21 is running now, and those students are going for 2020-21 interviews. So it's a free interview program for all eligible aspirants Unacademy is providing you. So register now as soon as possible. Its topic is 3D printer, and 3D printer is actually a kind of object printer. Any of the object, if you want to make, any of the object means any of the bowl, any of the bottle, any of the pen, anything if you want to develop as an object. So 3D printer gives you the opportunity to develop a complete objects. Those objects you can use for various purposes. 3D printer have many other alternative names. 3D printing is also called as a additive manufacturing. Here are 3-dimensional solid objects we are going to develop. A 3-dimensional solid object we are going to develop. So that is the reason I told you it is an object printing, a complete object you can make ready. 3D printer is also called as a additive process or successive layering. Why it's called an additive process? Because addition of different layers in that form a object will form, and successive layering because succession of layering is being happen, and that will be much more clear when I'll show you a small video clip that how an object printing is going to be happen. Here, whatever the printing happen, it is in the form of layer and layer into thinly sliced layer. Many of the layers, they are going to arrange in the proper order and give a proper shape. What is additive manufacturing or 3D printing? Actually, there are different names. As in the recent trend, guys, UPSC is asking with various alternative names. Here I'll suggest to all of you guys that alternative name also may be a UPSC question. Like Li-Fi is VLC, Visible Light Communications. Like Gagan project is called Satellite Based Augmentation System. Like 3 Parents Baby is Pro Nuclear Transfer Technology, a mitochondrial gene therapy. Reason why I'm telling you the alternative names are very important. Even sometime UPSC has given alternative name as a one options. Just like Mangalyaan was the UPSC question, and the first statement written there, which statement correct regarding Mangalyaan, and the first statement UPSC written is a Mars orbiter mission, another name of Mangalyaan. So this is the reason, guys, as per the requirement of UPSC, what UPSC is doing. I'm just telling you guys, this alternative name UPSC also made as an optional. So be safe here, guys. So 3D printing have many other name, rapid prototyping, additive manufacturing. A complex structures we are going to develop here in the form of layer and layer. It's a picture, guys. In this picture, a bowl is going to form. But how the bowl is going to form? A layer, above one more layer, above it one more layer, above it one more layer, and in the order successive layering, yeah, addition of layering is going to be happen, and complete bowl is getting ready here. See in this picture. See, one of the layer of bowl is going to form here. Further above the layer, and the layer is going to form. Further layer. See, layer. You know, in the form of the layering, you know what is going to be happen. See, a complete bowl is getting ready, and this is the reason addition means a successive order of layering is going to form, and there's a whole entire 3D structure. In this case. Okay, so what about the structures and all? I told you guys, you people understood. Now the question is 3D printer object those we will make. This object is made up of course, guys, it is depend on cartridges. And the cartridges those we are using in the 3D printer, it may be of ABS plastic. It's all the chemical, guys. It may be a polyamides, nylon, maybe glass filled polyamides, maybe epoxy resins. Epoxy resin we are also using in the case of plastic bottle cap, maybe silver, titanium, steel, wax, photopolymers, polycarbonate. These are the different types of cartridges. Those cartridges people can use in the 3D printers, and these cartridges based product will develop. If we go into the invention of 3D printer, guys, the name of person is Charles Schuckl. This man has invented this technology, and those first 3D printer technology machine was developed. It was a SLA machine. So SLA machine means what? Stereolithography apparatus. SLA machine was a stereolithography apparatus. You should be clear. This is the stereolithography apparatus. This is the SLA. Okay, and it got patent in 1986. So 3D printer got patent in 1986. Even the procedures those we are using in the case of 3D. So how the process and object printing comes. The one is a modeling, the second is printing, and third is a finishing process. Again I repeat. The first is modeling, second is printing, and third is finishing. In this order, guys, a complete 3D printer happen. Actually, you just tell me, guys, whenever you people are going to take or purchase any printer, what you are doing? Definitely you people know very well. Firstly, you people install its software. Okay, later on you go in the process of printing and all. Same thing we are also doing here. The first process called modeling. What we are doing in the case of modeling, we are going to install some software. Later on we go into the printing process, and then we are going to the finishing process. In the case of modeling process, computer aided design, that is CAD, and animation modeling software. These are the certain software first we install into the computer, and then people do the printing and all. Printing and then finishing. Printing, I hope you know very well, in the layer. Just the bowl wala form, you have seen it similarly. And finishing, like the polishing and everything will come, and finally a product will get ready for your users. And see here, guys. The first process, the modeling. Modeling, you know very well, like software, computer aided design, and animation modeling software that will install. And this is the software, guys, quality, like whatever the scanning and everything will take, that all the 3D images. Suppose you want to make my face, and the face you want to make a wax made face. So do one thing. It's a scanner. Through the help of scanner, 3D scanner, you scan my faces, and all the pictures and information you send it where? You send it to the computer aided design. And what the computer aided design will do? Computer aided design will make a 3D images inside in the form of animations. And when you people give the printing options, now the layer in this layering form, you know, an object will get ready. Okay, and form as the bowl you have shown. And last is the finishing, this proper polishing and everything will come in the proper manner. What is 3D lithography, printing, or 3D apparatus? See here, guys. Here, 3D apparatus I can show you. This is the laser type of printers, laser beam printing. You just try to understand. A laser light you'll throw inside a container, and within the container have what? Liquid resin. Within the container have a liquid resin. Liquid resin is what? It's a cartridges. That cartridges we are using inside. And this liquid resin cartridges, the laser light will go inside the liquid resin, and here in the form of layer. Suppose it's a shoe, a boot, and finally a boot formation happen in the form of layer, and then the piston will come up, and then you take the product outside, and then again further you keep the piston downside. Again the liquid resin will dry with the help of laser beam in the proper shape, and in that way, guys, even the object printing will come. Okay, object printing will come. Okay, so it's a piston will come down, again laser light will go, dry the material in the proper shape, again you put piston upside and move it away, again it will go down, again the laser light will go, again do the arrangement and dryness of the liquid resin, again the particular shape. So this is the process that we are using in this case for the object printing. It's a stereolithography apparatus that picture is shown here. And one thing more I'll tell you, guys. Generally those cartridges people are using, this cartridge should be liquid or semi-solid. Why liquid or semi-solid? The reason liquid and semi-solid are easy to give a shape. The hardy material is not possible, but liquid and semi-solid material we can give a proper shape here. What industries are using in 3D printing? Okay, different type of industries where 3D printing can be used. In aerospace industry, some nut and bolts if you want to do anything, I'm telling you, sophisticated parts. Aerospace industry, through the help of 3D printing you can develop. Automotive industry, consumer goods industry, defense industry, education industry, mold industry, architecture industry, commercial products, consumer electronics, dental industry, medical industry. Dental industry, suppose you want to do some filling inside your teeth. So do scanning and proper material you develop. Not even the small minute holes you can left it, and the proper filling will be there. I'm just telling you guys what about the future of 3D printing. There is one more news, guys. In the case of 3D printing, one of the 3D printing was in the news is called as a Foodney. Foodney is that kind of 3D printer, like those can make out food products and what about you will want. But here those few food products you want to develop in the case of 3D printer, you will use it the edible ingredients, and all the edible ingredients you will squeeze it in a form of capsules. And this capsule, whenever it will heat up, give the proper food and size up. Don't tell me and don't ask me, sir, we can make a masala dosa, shahi paneer. Up, you don't tell me, but whatever the data I got it, I'm just telling you. Practically, I never have seen the Foodney, but I know very well what about yours. Okay, so it's everything here in this case. Now it's in the last, I'll advise to all of you guys, this is the Telegram channel, t.me/Ravi UPSC Unacademy. Here people can download the PDFs. And a part of this PDF, guys, regarding all the video classes, all the links I also share here. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here my all the Unacademy's plus and iconic courses are available. A part of my special classes, if you want to listen, it is free of cost. It is freely available. It is also developed here. And my code is Ravi UPSC, guys. During joining any class, if you use it, you will get extra 10% discount. Iconic subscription is the best one. Those are available on Unacademy platforms. And here I'll suggest to all of you guys a live mentorship. You will get it. And a mentor will help you during your preparations under the live sessions. Here you will get the question answer practices also. Study planning, what to do, how to do, everywhere, every type of help you will get it. And yes, you will get the opportunity to connect with your educators under the open house session. Unacademy is providing you the general studies courses of the plus iconic. Whatever you want, you can take it. And during joining, if you use the Ravi UPSC course, so it is not for only general studies, even for optional courses, so extra 10% discount you can get it. Unacademy is providing you 0% EMIs, and here loan facilities available if anybody have a financial problems. So you can also enjoy these courses through the help of loan facilities. My science and tech environment courses are running now on Unacademy. And regarding these classes, I advise to all of you, stay tuned with me on the plus courses. And these two topics are very dynamic, and 30 to 35 questions are coming from this subjects only. I made the subject, I developed the subjects for all of you guys in the subject, have also static current updates properly required, and how to make in the balance everything you can connect under the plus courses. UPSC CSE batch is going to start from 20th April 2022. So it's a course, guys. A new batch is going to start. Even the prelims revision or crash course is going to start. Even is running right now for 2020-22. A part of 23 bilingual English and Hindi medium, even 24 Hindi medium batches are running now. Why choose Unacademy as a great feedback and the best rating in India in the every section of best in the classroom educators, best performance, everything. And what make us the different with the other one, guys? We are providing every requirement materials like comprehensive notes, interview guidance, daily answer writing, live interviews, every type of help we are providing you. So thank you everyone. Kindly subscribe the channels, like and share this video, and don't forget to download this video from the Telegram channel. So thank you everyone. God bless you. Meet you soon in the next class with some new topic that will be really relevant for the examinations. And don't forget to share this video, guys. So in that way, my all the lessons will reach to everyone. So God bless you. Jai.